Welcome to the fall garden. There isn't much to see, and what you do see looks a little sad to me. But this is what the fall garden for me looks like. I have flowers. I have, of course, all of my structures protecting all of my tender plants. And that's why my garden feels a little sad to me. But things are alive, things are thriving. Those that have been put to bed are put to bed. And those that are waiting for a little bit of warmth are waiting for warmth. As you see here, I have got some broad beans popping out. They're doing well, really well. This is where the bulk of my garden is. It looks awful, but the plants in here are alive. This is what the temperature looks like inside of that ugly enclosure. It's a little cool right now outside, but at least in here, it's a little bit warmer. As you can see, as I come into the structure, I've got a lot going on. I have a lot of brassicas. I'm not going to be able to pinpoint everything for you guys. This is more of a, this is what I have. Take a look at it. I can show you that I've got some turmeric. I have some pigeon peas over here. Lots of pigeon peas hanging over. Lots of brassicas. I have some society garlic down in there. Tomatoes over here that reseeded from the summer, which are weird, but okay, got tomatoes. And they're flowering. Can you see those flowers down there? I was really surprised when I opened up this structure and realized that this tomato took off. It's actually larger than you can see. It's fallen over. So that's okay. I've got kale growing down here. Lots of little babies growing down here that I need to take and move around, give them a little bit more room. I have onions as well. So I do have a lot going on. My strawberries are kind of sort of going to sleep. My borage has fallen all the way out. It's fallen over. And this container over here, it's taken a brunt of the coolness. The side got air up under it, so some of that died. That's all basil. I'm going to be cutting that back in a little bit, but as you can see in this enclosure, I have life. Look at all these peppers. I'm going to be harvesting these peppers today. I do have one plant that's looking a little sad. I'm not sure if it's gotten too much water or if that cool that came from up under the pot right here has gotten to it, but that's okay. I'm going to figure that out as well. But I do have a lot going on here. I've got lots of little brassica babies down here, and I will be reseeding once I clean some of this out and give myself a little bit more space. But yes, I do have food growing. I will be harvesting. Can you see those tomatoes? I still have tomatoes. It's December. I have tomatoes. I can't believe I've got tomatoes in December. Back behind here is where that coal came in. As you can see here, I've got lots of little brassica baby popping up. I've got onions popping up. I have some tomatoes that are ripening. I have some comfrey right here. I didn't remember putting that comfrey right there, but oh well, I have comfrey in here, y'all. That bean right there was from my single seed challenge that grew from across the patio. I only had got one bean. Look at my beautiful lemon tree. I bought this lemon tree this spring. It was a little stick. I cannot believe it is flowering. It smells amazing. Look at that, y'all. My lemon tree is flowering. I want to give you guys an up close. Look at this pepper. This is a paprika pepper. I can't believe it's December and I have peppers. In here, I have carrots that are germinating. I've already harvested some. Back there, I hope you guys can see it, but that is my moringa. It's flowering. These are the peppers that I brought in from inside. I've got that one little tomato, but these are the peppers that I harvested today. It's December and I'm still harvesting peppers. If you've gotten this far in the video, I want to say thank you. I hope you enjoyed the content that I brought to you today, and if you did, you know what to do, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.